Hey guys, this is Jackie Chan here, top of the morning to you. We've got some exciting news coming out from Bloomberg. Sonos plans headphones in move outside the home. Will we be seeing, finally, a pair of Sonos headphones? Okay, there are some things that the report mentioned which I found rather interesting. For example, these pair of headphones that Sonos could be developing at this moment in the early stage could have the ability to work with multiple voice assistants like Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, and work with multiple music services as well. Just like the newest Sonos products like the Sonos Beam and the Sonos One. Of course, Sonos is keeping very tight-lipped about this product. This is a secret project as far as I can tell. The only other thing that we can know from this report is that it may cost in the range of $300. Just like the most popular headphones from Sony, Bose. The headphones are slated to be released in the year 2020, but other than that, there isn't anything more we can glean from this report. Whether this pair of headphones will make it for the year 2020 deadline, if I can even call it a deadline, remains to be seen. But I'm very excited about this pair of headphones because as far as audio performance is concerned, I have never been disappointed by a Sonos product before. Furthermore, this is the first ever Sonos product to feature Bluetooth. So imagine the possibilities, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in a single product. Imagine, okay, just for a second, imagine that you're using this pair of headphones outside, you're listening to your music, watching a video, and when you get home, the headphones connect to your Wi-Fi network and all you have to do is just to press a button on your Sonos speaker and it will play whatever your headphones were playing before. Without you having to go through the process of searching for music on your speaker all over again. How cool is that? So the headphones become something like a bridge between your phone and all the Sonos speakers that you have at home. And I predict that it's gonna have these other features because in the year 2020, you gotta have these features in order to be competitive. Okay, the headphones market is it's a slaughterhouse really. If you're gonna charge $300 for a pair of headphones in the year 2020, you gotta at least have these features, okay? Bluetooth 5. All the latest smartphones already support Bluetooth 5, so I don't see any reason why headphones in the year 2020 that cost $300 won't support Bluetooth 5, okay? Next, aptX low latency and aptX adaptive. For a brand that makes soundbars, I would expect that they take the same level of care for people who watch videos on their smartphones, tablets, and computers. And without a shadow of a doubt, aptX low latency and aptX adaptive gives you the best possible latency right now in a pair of headphones. When you're watching videos, you won't experience any sort of audio video lag, okay? If you want to know more about aptX low latency, watch this video that I made over here. Touch controls. It's gotta have touch controls. Man, all the latest Sonos products, the Sonos One, the Sonos Beam, the Play Base, all of them have touch controls. So it's perfectly reasonable for the Sonos headphones to have touch controls as well. Possibly even controls that light up. Noise cancelling, yes. Powerful noise cancelling. If you're gonna charge $300 for a pair of headphones, my god, it better have noise cancelling, okay? And maybe I'm asking a bit too much in this case because I'm predicting that this pair of headphones would have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and noise cancelling in a single product. I want a 30 to 40 hour battery life in this. These days, even 20 hours of battery life looks average. So I'm just asking, okay, maybe not 30 hours, maybe 25 hours to 35 hours of battery life. At least, the fewer times that I need to charge my headphones, the better. And if I ever do need to charge it, I have a USB-C port for fast charging. And yes, I expect to have USB-C fast charging as well. The Sonys have it, Bang & Olufsen headphones have it, why not Sonos? So that was my list of features that I think will be in the Sonos headphones when it arrives in 2020. Of course, you might have a different opinion, and if you do, please tell me in the comment section below what features you think will be in the Sonos headphones and what features you don't think will be in the headphones. Okay, so tell me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join notification squad, because I upload videos every single week, and apparently this is the only way that YouTube will notify you. Okay, so remember to ring the bell. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron is Lion Wireless, and I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, face pump out.